We are trying to find the value of b. So look at clue 1. We know that a plus b equals 8. So that value right there is 8. So that's 8 plus c equals 12. We know c is 4, but we don't know what b is because we still have 2 unknowns. Forget about clue 1. Look at clue 2. b plus c is 6. So that's a plus 6 equals 12. And that's a equals 6. But once again, we don't know what b is. We don't know what c is. So now what you do is you put both of them together, and that's going to work. And on the Gmat, I would stop right now, but I'm going to go ahead and show you how I would do that. We know we're plugging back in a plus b plus c equals 12. We know a is 6 plus b plus c is 4 equals 12. So that's b plus 10 is 12. B is 2. Now, you would never do that. We could have stopped beforehand because we're not trying to find the actual answer. We just want to know if the clues give us enough information to find the answer. So your answer is C.